Get the ultimate full-body workout with Z-Rope training. These ropeless battle ropes enable you to achieve the same effects anytime, anywhere. A compact device operating on the same principles as traditional battle ropes. You can enjoy high-intensity workouts without space or noise limitations. Introducing a new kind of home CrossFit, Z-Rope. Battle ropes effectively enhancing strength, endurance, and stamina for your entire body. However, the challenges of limited space and noise issues made it difficult to try at home. Z-Rope fully embodies the principle of battle rope training without the actual ropes. Engage in high-intensity workouts using just Z-Rope alone, with no need for space or installation. Whether it's late at night or early in the morning, go full power as much as you want in peace, noise-free, and easily maintain your daily exercise routine wherever you are, thanks to its small, lightweight design for portability. Perfectly mimicking the wave movement of traditional battle ropes, Z-Rope provides good balance and rhythm, featuring highly elastic springs for enduring performance. Wave creation with Z-Rope using upper body strength not only develops core muscles, but also activates the lower body muscles as users resist the force to stay steady. Experience the dual benefits of cardio exercise through rapid repetitions, enhancing cardiovascular endurance. With Z-Rope, you can perform at least 13 exercises that stimulate over 10 muscle groups. Add Z-Rope to the lower body regimen and achieve full body strength training of upper and lower body muscles combined with cardio. A 10-minute Z-Rope workout yields cardiovascular benefits equivalent to 1 hour of tennis or 2 hours of running, and strength benefits comparable to 30 minutes of push-ups or 1 hour of planking. Scan the QR code on the serial number card and follow the tutorial videos for the best results. Experience a comprehensive workout in the comfort of your home and enjoy the full effects of battle ropes with more freedom. A new kind of home CrossFit, Z-Rope.